This video is part of Rayyan's room makeover. One part of the bedroom wall, we repainted it with Jotun Evening Light color paint. So this is how the bedroom looks previously. At that time, we also recycled sofa frame to bed frame. The adjoining walls has lighter color, so we want a dark color that combines well with this lighter color and decided on evening light. At first I was hesitant to use dark colors, but the result makes me really happy. Love this shade, which is between bluish grey shade, and this cat is also very happy with the bedroom makeover.
Betul macam model ni. Posing model ke? Wah, siap dah.
This is how the paint looks like under natural light when it's overcast outside. When we moved into this home, there was a vanity table which was left by the previous owner, which is broken, so we decided to save the mirror. When we cleared some part of our hill forest garden to grow hill rice, there was a lot of wood that can be used to make wood planks. When we went window shopping at SSF furniture section, we got some inspiration when we look at these tables. Don't need leg stands that looks exactly the same. So this is a similar concept of Wabisabi. Taking inspiration from this solved our dilemma that we don't need to use legs that is exactly the same size and shapes, because we have limited tools in our hand, so it's difficult to make leg stands that look exactly the same. By using the concept of Wabisabi, so the uneven shape can also look aesthetic. Since the base of the leg stand has different shapes, so we have to draw on the wood first for each leg stand spot. For the console table paint, we only use leftover paints from previous projects. We use the leftover paints that we used 3 years ago to uplift our ground floor bathroom. After Ilhan finished painting primer coat on this whole console table, then Mama continue paint this console table with paint that was used 3 years ago. After the paint had dried, then Ilhan helped to cover the whole console table with top coat to make it waterproof. This console table is a surprise for Rayyan, who was staying in hostel.
Tingkatan 3 kerjasama. Tempat ketiga dipersilakan Rayyan Hanil bin Ismaniza. Tempat kedua dipersilakan.
After attending the appreciation award at Rayyan's school, we went shopping and went back in the evening after having dinner, then realized on the way back it's the strawberry moon phase. This is how the Jotun wall paint for evening light color looks like under artificial light. Then this is how the Jotun wall paint color for evening light looks like under natural light.